In a previous video, I showed you how to make these wireless LEDs using through-hole components. These worked really well, but they weren't as nice looking as the commercial versions. In this video, I'll show you how to make the same wireless LEDs but using surface mount components. I've selected the same component values as I used before, a 2.2 mH inductor and a 220 picofarad capacitor. The inductor package is a 503, which is 5.5mm by 5.3mm. I picked this particular one as from the datasheet it looked like it had a good sized solder pad on both sides. For the LEDs and capacitors, I chose 1206 sizes as they fit nicely across the inductor pads and are reasonably easy to handle. Soldering up is pretty easy. We just tin one pad of the inductor. I'm using a bit of blue tack to hold it in place, which stops it moving around too much. As in the previous video, I'm using two LEDs and I'll put these in opposite polarities to take advantage of the two sides of the signal. These LEDs are quite handy as they have an arrow on the bottom telling you which direction they run in. To fit the two LEDs and the capacitor, I'll be putting the capacitor on its side. This is really fiddly and it required a couple of attempts to arrange the components and lift them all in one go. Once you've got them arranged and you've picked them up, we just need to melt the solder on the pad and present the components to it. With that done, we can then just solder the other side of the components. I tried several different variations, capacitor in the middle, one single LED and capacitor. They all worked pretty well. I've put a link to the components I used in the description and you can watch the previous video to see how to do the complete build.